Hii ni sauti ya vijana kutoka shule ya Mnazi Mrefu Sekondari. Mimi ni mtangazaji wako Miracle Ronald. Jamani, kwa majina naitwa Miracle. Unaitwa nani?
Wewe muulize huyu wewe pili.
Hey! Atasa! 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 Atasa!
Nani?
Kwa majina naitwa Mereza Daus Saronge. Ni mwanafunzi wa Mnazi Mrefu. Don't call me, I'm genius of Mnazi Mrefu, right? It is very good.
Okay, can you tell me the country which has no river?
The country is no river.
Yes.
It's difficult to tell because I have no ideas of such a thing.
Okay, you girl.
Kwa majina naitwa Latifa, ni mwanafunzi wa Mnazi Mrefu Sekondari.
Which country has no river? Mars, is it a country?
No, that Mars is a planet. Mars is the country.
Mars is a planet.
You, can you speak the answer?
The country which has no river, it is Dubai.
Dubai.
Yes.
Dubai is a country or is India?
Dubai is a country, guys.
Dubai is not a country.
Dubai is a what?
That's Dubai is a city in India. Don't you know about that? In India, there's a lot of cities. There's Dubai, there's Pakistan, there's Delhi. A lot of cities.
And how can we call it Dubai?
Say that Dubai, you have said that there's no river. It's because it is town full of houses and economic activities are not related to agriculture. It means that they are non-agriculture city. It is based in different trading, as it is based as trading center. India, and I've heard a lot about Dubai that seems like it is the trading center, and some of them call it the capital city, but I have no idea about such a thing.
So you have agreed that
Zandani Media, ndiyo Zandani Media, Zandani Media, yeah. Zandani Media, Zandani Media, yeah.
So you have agreed that Dubai has no river.
Maybe, no, but I never visit poa.
Unaitwa nani?
Shazia.
Inuka usiogope. Unaitwa nani?
Shazia.
Uko kidato cha ngapi?
Zandani Media.
Hivi Tanzania ni muunganiko wa nchi mbili. Nchi hizo ni ipi?
Tanganyika.
Mwaka gani? Tarehe ngapi?
Zandani Media.
Tarehe nimesahau.
Zandani Media, yeah.